How often do we say that today the match is between the number 1 and 2 in the points table, or between the last two teams, or top versus bottom? But I think those sayings don't have any significance in this year's Dream 11 IPL, because it's been that closely contested. Only couple of teams, Chennai and Rajasthan, might not. Chennai is already out, but Rajasthan might not make it to the playoffs. But the remaining six, anyone can make it to the playoffs, because that tough is the situation right now. Although it is a match between MI and RCB, teams lying number 1 and 2, it might not have a significance. Why I'm saying is, with the current scenario, the both teams are sitting on 14 points. Even there's a scenario where all teams might end up with 16 points. I mean, 6 teams being ending up with 16 points. Normally in an IPL, a team might qualify even with 12 points with a better run rate. 14 is a luxury, but now we have it has come to such a scenario. Even 16 doesn't guarantee you a playoff spot. Mumbai and RCB both having a poor run in the last couple of games, losing matches, but still can boast of the best squads in this year's IPL. Mumbai has had a setback of Rohit Sharma getting injured, but he's been his loss has not been that significant, because Ishan Kishan has really stepped in very well. Their bowling, Bumrah bowled, has delivered in all the matches, and so has James Pattinson, who has been having a great tournament. Spinners Rahul Chahar and Krunal Pandya too have been very good. Their middle order of Hardik Pandya and Pollard are among the best in this year's IPL. But they still have managed to lose a few games. RCB on the other side, Aaron Finch was dropped. Aaron Finch is not in that great form, but still ABD, the Superman ABD, has been getting them over the line from all tough situations where you expect the other team to win easily. Virat Kohli too is in great form. Their middle order seems to have not had a great opportunity so far. Whenever they have got an opportunity, it's like the last 2-3 overs where they don't have that great contributions to make. Moeen Ali has been in and out. He's played a couple of games. Whether he would play tonight is not sure, because Navdeep Saini was injured. He has a split webbing on his bowling hand. So whether he would play tonight is also a question. He might, if he's not there, they might think of playing Isru Udana, and that might have they might have to leave Moeen Ali out, or maybe even Aaron Finch, who has been struggling of late. Their bowling, Washington Sundar and Chahal, has been exceptional with their being the spinners. And if Saini doesn't play today, would be a great loss, because he's been the go-to man for Virat Kohli this season. But Chris Morris has been firing all his guns. He's been exceptional in this tournament with both bat and ball. So definitely Kohli has a good news in that front. It's a great matchup, Mumbai versus RCB. Form cannot decide, because both teams had a slip the other night, and both teams have equal number of points. So to differentiate between who is going to be winner, who is going to win today, is a very, very tough job on hand. There are quite a few matchups where Chahal has been having a good time against Quinton de Kock and also Surya Kumar Yadav, so they might use them as early as they can. So, and ABD has been having his problem with leg spinners. So all combinations and permutations are there with the how to use whom at what stage. But it's going to be a terrific match tonight, MI versus RCB.